And yeah, the song name is Bahana, and about a long distance relationship and how lockdown is something which again affected the relationship. I think everybody is working hard. Even the people who are more senior to me are also working hard, and people who are newer than me are also working hard at the same level. Of course, I didn't know anybody from the industry, and it was just me who was trying to reach out and to see where I can play my music to who to. There was the process, and yeah, of course, I met Mohit Suri, who heard my song. I don't think by putting out a video can bring a solution to any issue. He was talking about an issue. New artists are not given a chance.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to be joined by the Lal Bindi fame, and I'm sure there has been one point in your life जब आपने ये song आपके tongue पे definitely बैठा होगा and you'll be like हाय मैं क्या करूँ something like that. We have Akul in the house. Hello Akul. Welcome to
Thank
India
you, thank
Forum.
you,
Such a
thank you, thank
pleasure
you so
to
much.
talk to you. Like we are doing this virtually, but welcome
Yeah.
again. And firstly, I want to know what is the new song all about because apart from everything else, I'm already excited about the new release. So let's just address that first.
So there are a couple of things with the new song.
Yes.
First of all, it's actually a continuation of one of my previous song, which was "I Love You." So the storyline or um, the situation which the video had, the story,
Right.
it is continuing in this video. And of course, this video, the song and the audio video is about a long distance relationship and how lockdown is something which again affected the relationship. And yeah, for that you have to wait and watch the video.
Yes.
So, and yeah, the song name is Bahana, and the idea, it's a longing, it's the missingness, and it's like a sad romantic song.
Right. Very apt for the
Yeah.
situation because currently everybody who is not even in a long distance relationship mostly is not able to meet their partners, even if
In
they
a way, in a
like,
way,
yeah,
in a way.
true. So
Even
was that
in
also
spite
a
of being,
reason,
yeah.
like, you wanted the this is like a good time to sort of release a song like that
Sure,
and story
sure,
like that. How have you been
sure.
able to shoot it? Like, have you shot it
So
now
I,
or what?
so the video was shot in the house and on the terrace,
Oh,
and we have the female who was in I Love You. She did her scenes. She's in Dubai, so we had one cameraman there who did her shots there, and we got everything together in the video.
right.
Yeah.
Despite all of the limitations that we have, you are still trying to, like you and a lot of other artists who are coming out
Mm.
with songs are still trying to manage their way, sort of like in some way or the other, because entertainment is the only key, like, at the moment, जो लोग घर पे बैठ के enjoy कर सकते हैं, at least like when
Right,
people like you come out with content. Uh,
right, right.
Tell me, like, how has the lockdown been for you personally? Matlab, as a creator, like, have you been writing more? ज़्यादा songs लिख रहे हो या ज़्यादा produce कर रहे हो? How is it like?
For me, it has not been too much of a difference, except for I not calling any of my musicians home, or um, not being able to meet friends at home. I have a home studio, so I pretty much work from there,
Right.
irrespective of the lockdown. So for me, my regular day,
The
irrespective of lockdown,
right.
is also here. And of course, you get out to work out to the gym or for meetings and all. So that never happened during lockdown, and of course, your domestic help never came. So there was a lot of time being dedicated to the house cleaning and cooking and everything. So, but otherwise, yeah, of course, regular making music and chilling and watching content, watching series, and catching up with family and friends over video calls. I think that's pretty much the whole world what they have been doing. I've not done
Right.
anything. I've also cooked a bunch of times, so nothing very extraordinary. Uh, but yeah, that's about it.
You know, your style of music is something which is very like signature. Matlab, there is like a pull on the beat in mostly all the songs, and like
Yeah.
maintaining that consistency, if we can say. Is that a conscious decision that you like to have a style of your own?
Actually, I when I made that part in Lal Bindi song, I never had a like a intention to make that part like a highlight. It just happened that people connected with it and started liking the way it was there in a song.
Right.
And then I consciously thought, people are liking it, I should try and keep it in whichever
Right.
songs I can. I have not put it in every song of mine,
Right.
but I'm trying and
Like a
seeing
large part.
whichever song,
Yeah.
yeah, I can. Yeah.
Right. You've also done, music for Bollywood movies. Tell me how different it is, like, like an independent release and a thing like for a when you're preparing a song for a movie. So how different are those two?
So I've done just one song for now. I have one or two more songs actually coming up in the next hopefully few months. I don't know when those
Right.
projects will come out, but I mean the procedure of making the music is pretty much same. The brief is of course a little different. I mean, in non-film music, in independent music, I can do whatever I want to, but for a film, there is obviously a situation, and obviously the director wants the sound to be of a particular style. So that happened with Mohit Suri, who is director of Malang, and I made the title track for Malang. I did the music production for it, and he had liked one of my songs, and he's like, "Yeah, I want to do the Malang song in this style. So why don't you like give it a shot?" And that's when the whole process started. There was a lot of course, changes. Like, nahi, isko aise karte hain, isko aise nahi karte. And yeah, it was is a lot of I mean, lot of changes because the film requires a certain level of like, there is a need for every film, and I think वो
That
करने
needs
में
to be
थोड़ा सा
done.
हमें time
Right.
लगा.
Correct.
Yeah, right.
You've also been someone who's not had like a industry sort of background, and today we are in a
Yeah,
situation where there is a constant debate about this insider outsider thing. I want to
right.
know, for you, how difficult, what kind of struggles have you faced when you actually started and to like make your own space in the business?
I feel that everybody is trying hard to
Of course.
keep themselves in the industry with their work. I think everybody is working hard. Even the people who are more senior to me are also working hard, and people who are newer than me are also working hard at the same level. And I think your hard work and your right intention towards work, and I think takes you somewhere. So I have just of course I didn't know anybody from the industry, and it was just me who was trying to reach out and to see where I can play my music to, who to share my music to. Obviously you are also growing as an artist, so a lot of times you are also learning by just meeting people.
Right.
So that was the process. And yeah, of course I met Mohit Suri, who heard my song and who heard Lal Bindi for the first time, and he was like, "Damn, this song is something very different and something very unique, and you should you should release it." And then he, of course, introduced me to Universal Music, and that's how the whole thing happened.
Have you faced rejections in the beginning, and did that affect you at all?
Of course, I have. I mean, I have met so many people who never uh, responded. I won't say rejection. I mean, the whole idea of we will get back to you and hoping that they've said they will get back. So when will that happen? So that never happened, and right now there is nothing. So there is nothing much happening. So I think that was something like uh, you were just wondering when will that phase or the time happen when they would want to work and associate with you. So I think that's about it.
There's another recent thing that you also must have seen on the internet, that Sonu Nigam, he's such a legendary
Right.
singer. He put out a video. What was your reaction to that video?
I was like, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't think by putting out a video can bring a solution to any issue. He was talking about an issue which he said that new artists are not given a chance, or I think something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
So I felt that putting out a video will maybe not help resolving that issue. I think
But
there
don't you
needs to
think
be
it
something.
at least like starts a conversation, if nothing else? Like, it won't give out a solution, but maybe like, it'll start a conversation ki, okay, then these people also face something, and like people should know about it.
But I think conversation is not enough. I think there has to be execution. I think conversations are healthy till a certain extent, and after that, I think
Right.
execution needs to be happening. I think that's what I feel.
Right. You
So
know,
yeah.
recently, of course, in many of the Bollywood movies, we've also been seeing a bunch of like old songs being recreated,
Ah,
and
ah.
even like independent music being incorporated in, like, be it like Illegal Weapon and wo sare songs they are
Yes,
adapting
yes,
and
yes.
putting in music. What is your sort of take? Like, would you also like to have your song in a movie, the previous songs that you've made?
Of course, I think actually मेरे साथ एक दो बार हो चुका है that people have we have actually talked about my song
Right.
going to in a film, but of course the film also has to have the right
Story.
script and the
Yeah.
situation to incorporate that song.
Relevancy.
But recreations, I feel that are fine to a certain extent, but I think the number of recreations which have happened over, the number is, I think, way too high. I guess थोड़ा I don't think कि खराब है करना, but I think इतने भी नहीं जरूरत, मतलब
Right.
कि
That every
I
song is
think
just
हो,
being recreated.
हाँ मतलब I think इतना इतना जरूरत नहीं है. अ,
Correct.
आने चाहिए, but I think सही तरीके से और सही क्वांटिटी में.
What are the kind of songs you like? Do you listen to like Hollywood and मतलब बाहर के independent artists के songs, या फिर India में
हाँ
are your
यार,
favorites?
I listen to a variety of music, whether it's the pop, uh, the American pop music, or whether it's hip hop, or even dance music, and across genres. Matlab, there's never what do I say? I will not want to listen. I've always been
Restriction.
actually a
Yeah.
very passionate listener of music. Before even becoming a musician, since my childhood, I was always a big listener of exploring new music all the time.
Right. Amazing. Now we can't wait for the new release. Do you have anything else also coming up after this song?
Of course, more of my solo songs and a few collaborations which will be coming out, and how we now, of course, plan the music videos for them is gonna be a little bit of a planning. So, and yeah, there is 1 or 2 film projects which hopefully would come when the films start coming into theaters. So you never know for that. But yeah, the more music, of course, nothing. And of course, I'm planning to put up music on my YouTube channel also.
Wow.
So that can be something very interesting for our fans to look forward to. Yeah.
How do you see this digital space, like, because you mentioned YouTube at the moment, and there have been so many independent artists without any label, like getting a space to put up their songs and people liking it, and like we see Pratik Guhad or like Sanam and all these people. Lisa got picked up from like a YouTube channel. So how do you see?
Right. I feel that we have the technology and we have the ability to we have a big platform like YouTube, and even and if it connects with people, if it resonates with people, I think you get that recognition, and you get noticed. I feel that's an amazing time to be in.
Right. What is your last message for all the people who've loved Lal Bindi and all your other projects and are extremely excited for this one as well?
Yeah, I've seen so much excitement since the time I announced that I'm coming up with a new song, and there is a really interesting video to it as well. So the excitement is really high. I'm myself very excited because I've directed this music video as well, and I have, of course, from making the song to the video, it's the whole process of doing this, especially during the lockdown, and has been very, very amazing. And I feel that people would really, really like what we've done. And as always, they've supported and loved all the songs and the messages, and they've been very kind. I'm very grateful, and I think they would give as much love to this song, and I hope they give that much love, maybe, or if not more, but the same. Yeah.
Of course. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank
All
you.
the best for this one and many more projects that you're going to be doing
Thank
in the
you.
future as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.